Edge functions are core primitives of Supabase, and as AI adoption accelerates, their usage has skyrocketed. To give you an even better developer experience, we've just shipped a set of powerful updates to our Edge functions. First, we have greatly reduced the average boot time of our functions by putting functions that are performing the initial script evaluation onto a dedicated blocking pool, making sure they don't become the bottleneck. Ensuring faster boot times enabled us to provide synchronous functions at load times. Starting today, we are expanding support for more synchronous APIs during function boot time. This gives you more tools to do things like ensuring a temp directory for processing images exists or loading environment-specific configuration files. For example, imagine you're building an IoT app where the device backs up its SQLite database to S3. You can set up a scheduled edge functions to read those data and then push the aggregates to your primary Postgres database for aggregates and reporting. I hope you love this update, and we cannot wait to see how you use them in your next Supabase project.